Good afternoon, everyone. It is time for another demo here at the High Torque booth 1543 here at OTC Day 2, and it's been an award-winning couple days so far for High Torque. Yesterday awarded the Spotlight on New Technology Award for the Lithium Series RX, rain explosion proof as well. Here with High Torque President Eric Junkers. And before we get into the demonstration of this award-winning tool, Eric, tell us a little bit about the development of this tool, the challenges that you were hearing, including in the oil and gas industry, that led to the development of this Lithium Series RX.
Yeah, we've had battery tools for the better part of the last 10 plus years, and they've been a really exciting part of our offering. It's allowed our customers to do their work safer and more efficiently, provided them with unmatched portability as a result of the battery technology, no wires, no hoses, no cords. And that's something that's really been a tremendous part of our offering for this past decade or so. The issue with our battery tools, if there was one, came in spaces where, like the oil and gas industry, where folks would want to use them in all different environments. And it was just something that was not possible. It was something we could not offer them to allow for them to use it in explosive environments or amongst the elements, the rain and so forth. And that was something we vowed to change. It was something we really wanted we wanted to change so that all of our customers, no matter what environment they're working in, could get the benefits of the battery-powered tooling system. And that's exactly what we've developed here with the LSRX.
So we're going to demo this here and also talk about the High Torque Connect app, which when you talk about data capture, another award-winning product here, and that is certainly the High Torque Connect app.
Yeah, the way the tool works is exactly the same as the LST, and that was with intention so that our customers who have become very comfortable with the operating system of the LST know exactly how to use the LSRX. It's pretty much an identical tool outside of the handle and the casing, which allow for it to be used in these environments. And one of the big features of the LST tool is the connectivity with the High Torque Connect app. That allows for you to get data capturing. It allows for you to get real-time data off of the tool so that you have a paper trail associated with your bolting work. Something that's really big for quality control and just to have for reference at a later time to ensure the work was done properly. It's one of the areas that we are looking to enhance the quality of the job. It's not just in the tool's performance and the procedures and so forth, it's also in having that paper trail, having that visibility that the work was done and done properly.
All right, take us through it. The Lithium Series RX, practicality, obviously bolting needs. Take us through it.
Yeah, we've got it set up here on the app. This is a display that would be on your phone, on your tablet, that shows you exactly what's going on. So it's got a very intuitive display. It shows what you can set it up, highly customizable. You have your job IDs. So this is set up for a flange like the one that we're working on here. And it's just simply a numbered sequence as you would have in your typical bolting work. And it's telling you exactly where to go. You have the bolting, the torque output set. You can set it via the app and lock out the user from changing it or having the opportunity to change it on the unit itself. So you set everything in there, and the tool, you simply got to pull the trigger and run it, and you're going to see exactly what comes out of it after you're done. So it's saying to hit number 1, which is this one here. You can see that it is loose, and so we are just going to tighten up the top. We put it on. We're also showing the technology of our High Torque washer system. As you can tell, if you're familiar with traditional standard bolting, you would have a reaction member which would butt against the next nut. That's out of the equation, major safety enhancement. So we are showing a variety of things here beyond the tool and the software. It's also this washer technology, which allows for you to do it in a much safer, much more efficient way. But back to the app here and the connectivity. Again, via Bluetooth, wirelessly connected. We're simply pulling the trigger. It is torquing it up. You're hearing the tool winding. It's getting to the point where it's there. You're going to get a visual indication on the tool that the job was done. We got the check mark, and it immediately shows on the app that the job was done. You see the amount of rotation that it has, so that's something important just for reference purposes. You see exactly how much it turned. The final torque, we hit it right on the nose. This is a highly precise tool. This is the most accurate battery torque tool on the market. And then you get the nice green indication that says, okay, everything was done exactly as it should have been. And this will follow you throughout the job so that you have a full paper trail that you could hold on to forever and have in your files that says this bolted joint was done and torqued properly. And that's a big thing because as it stands now, it's a lot of times a very manual method, which is time consuming and as such prone to human error.
So we look at the tool here, it's good for explosive, it's good for use in explosive environments, rain. These are the environments that day in and day out they're facing out there, specifically in the oil and gas industry?
A large amount of our customers in the oil and gas industry were not able to enjoy the benefits associated with the battery tool simply as a result of that, and that is now not the case any longer. This tool can be used in any of the environments that our hydraulic tools can be outside of, say, subsea. But it can be used in any environments that our hydraulics would be used in, our air tools would be. It's ATEX approved, IP65, so it's completely sealed. You're able to use it in the rain, you're able to use it in all conditions, and that's a big deal for us because that's the realities of the oil and gas market. That's something we have to contend with, and we wanted our customers to really be able to enjoy the convenience and the performance of the battery tool and the smart technology in the battery tool. That is something they now can do wherever they may be working.
Job quality, job safety, certainly job efficiency, all in one. You combine it with the High Torque Connect app. I mean, the job safety is another one that I think we could stress even more. There's no hoses. There's not something they have to drag across. That's a safety issue there. And then with the washer system, there's no reaction arm. There's no pinch points. All of that's addressed.
Yeah, it's again back to the original point about feedback. Getting feedback from our customers. They wanted to get away from cords. They wanted to get away from hoses, and understandably so. We all do in our personal lives, and we were able to do that in a tool here. There was an extensive amount of R&D in this product to get it right, to be able to perform at the level we want it to perform, to have the longevity that it has. And I think we've really got a heck of a package here that can deliver for our customers and bring them enhancements. That's what it comes down to, enhancements as far as the safety of the work is concerned. We're doing that in a number of ways. We also do it through training and through service, and as well with efficiency, just helping them to minimize their downtime in their maintenance. And we have a lot going for it with this product, with this entire system, and a number of case studies to support that we can and will deliver on those promises.
And this is something that probably was discovered or likely discovered where somebody had a challenge and your team actually goes out. What's the challenge? And all right, we got to get rid of cords, whatever that is. That's kind of what we came to. You have a team that does that. It can be custom, it can be one size fits a bunch.
It's very much a consultative partnership with our customers where we learn from them, get an understanding what it is that they want to see, what it is that we can do to really just alleviate their pain point. And that's what we always try to accomplish. And this is a big one because we heard time and time again, we want to use this product, we want to use battery tools, but it just was not possible. And now we can finally say what we desired to say for so long. Yes, you can use it in those spaces, and we're gonna bring it out to you.
Spotlight on New Technology Award winner here in 2025 here from OTC, and that is the Lithium Series RX. It is the latest technology here from High Torque. There are challenges that the oil and gas industry is facing each and every day, and High Torque is working to provide solutions, and that is just one of them. If you'd like a customized demo, come on in. We've got the Lithium Series RX. We also have last year's award winner, the Lightning Series Smart Pump as well. We've got a few other technology, product, services, all about it. Learn about High Torque. You've got challenges, we've got solutions. For Eric Yonkers, I'm Tony Marino. Thank you all for joining us today. We will be back tomorrow. We've got live demos throughout, customized demos anytime. We'll see you then.
Thank you.